Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make more money here on YouTube through YouTube ads. So in case you guys are interested, then you definitely do want to keep on watching. Okay, so welcome back again. Just in case you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Kelechi Mbemena, and in case you guys are a returning subscriber, hey guy, hey girl, what is up? Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can potentially make more money here on YouTube through Google Ads. And it's super amazing because I feel like this is a new update that has been rolled out, I think last week, but not a lot of people are aware of it. Or maybe you are aware of it, but you've not really applied it to your videos. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm talking about and how to do it, to level up your content, and how to not overdo it basically. So yeah, lately I've been super excited and super interested with making money on YouTube, that whenever I hear of an idea and it works and I'm like, yeah, I gotta do it and I gotta share it at the same time. All right, so recently YouTube announced and now have rolled out a new feature that now allows creators to place mid-roll ads to content that are 8 minutes and above. And this is super exciting because previously you could only put mid-roll ads on contents that were 10 minutes and above. So because I'm a bit obsessed with the way YouTube works, knowing the YouTube algorithm and all of that, I do have my own theories as to probably why YouTube has reduced the strict mid-roll restriction from 10 minutes now to 8 minutes. And it could probably be because obviously they do want to make more money. Two, they want to create like a platform that can allow more creatives make more money, because now there is a lot of competitions now out there, especially now with Instagram announcing that they're going to be allowing creators to place ads in their IGTV content. So now I feel like YouTube is trying to create this platform a little bit more friendly for creators. Also, it might also be because the average retention rate falls within this 8 minutes time range. So again, if the average retention rate is within 8 minutes, they do want to keep them here, but also keep them here profitably, if that makes sense. So again, yeah, maybe by reducing that limit, now creators can now create high quality content, but not only create high quality content, but also profit from those high quality content that they're creating. Again, YouTube is focused on the business of YouTube, which is primarily also focused on YouTube, the audience, and the creator. So putting all of these into consideration, I kind of do understand. But again, these are my hypotheses. These are my own kind of ideas. Okay, so let's dive into this so I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead to open up my YouTube Studios. But now, with this update, you can place ads on contents that are 8 minutes and above. So now, I'm going to show you guys what I am talking about. Let me just go over to this, my content over here that is just below 10 minutes. I'm going to open this up and let me go over to monetization. This is where you want to be. Anything relating to making money from Google Ads, this is where you want to be. So I'm going to go over to monetization so you guys can see it. Okay, so now with this update, you can now place mid-roll ads within your content. Now, in case you guys want to read more about this, click on the learn more and you're going to read about it and learn about the update at the same time. So let that roll. It says as of July 27th, you can now place mid-roll ads. Now you can read through it. This is a recent update. So the threshold has been reduced from 10 minutes to 8 minutes and all of that. But that's about it for the update. Let me show you guys how you can apply this and leverage this update as a creator. So if you want to manage, you want to place your ads, you want to remove ads from your content, just click on this manage mid-roll ads. And that would automatically open. As you guys can see, I don't have any mid-roll ads. This one was automatically placed by YouTube. So I'm just going to go ahead to click on it and delete it right there. So now I can add my ad break wherever I want to place it. Again, you do want to make sure that you're adding it in a very strategic position, so that way people still want to keep on watching. It's not distracting from your content. Maybe put it in a place where kind of drives a lot of curiosity. So when you're trying to give the meat of the content, you can just put it just before there, so that way people still want to watch it and then watch the ad and then watch the content. So I'm just going to look for somewhere here. Typically I would do this whenever I'm editing my content and write it down on a note where I would want to place my ads, but now I'm just going to place this strategically. Let me just do this. Okay, let me just place this here. So I have one ad here and I can now have another ad here. Let me just look for where I can position it, so that way we're not taking out of the experience. Again, let me put it right here. Okay, so again, if you guys really want to be strategic with this, after uploading a video, you can go over to your analytics and see the peaks in terms of your audience retention. You can see where audience have their full attention to your content and place it there. But maybe we'll do that in like a different video, basically. You know what? Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So yeah, with this, you can place as many as you please. But again, like I said, you do not want it to be overwhelming. So I'm just going to place just 2 right here. And I'm strategically place that in a way that it's not going to affect the viewer experience. I'm just going to click on continue and save, so that way it saves that. So if you want to update your ads and even make it more strategic, what you can do is to go over to your analytics. We're going to be looking at audience retention. We want to look at where there are a lot of peaks, because when there are peaks, it means that there are interest. So you can place your ads just before that interest, so that way you know that they're going to watch your ads and they're going to keep watching your content. Again, that way you're going to make more money basically as a creator. Again, this is basically the strategy, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So now this same video, I can go over to see more. This is my audience retention. I do want to make sure that my audience are always there and I don't distract them. So I'm going to click on see more just to see what this looks like. And now I can see, look what I was talking about. This is a peak right here. This went from 40 to 50%. It means that people are watching and are loving this part of the video content. Let me just click on it so I can see what exactly they are loving. So let me just click on it. Please, if you have any. And okay, so this is where I was getting started with applying this feature. So I can place my ad at exactly 1 minute 36 seconds, right? I can also place it here, right here, and maybe even here, right? So let me do that. Let me place it at 1 minute, but I could place it here at 1 minute, but at the same time, it could be distracting and it could take off from the experience because it's barely just 1 minute into the video content. I'm already putting ads there. I can also put it here at 4 minutes, 1 second. Let me put it at 4 minutes, exactly at 4 minutes, so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. So that way I know that this is where the audience are super excited about. That's the peak. I'm going to put the ad in the peak. So you can do this for all your content. You can re-strategize your ads, so that way you know they are loving your content, but they are also going to watch the ads because they are loving your content. So that is a trick you guys can apply to your content. Let me go over to my monetization and change the ad to about 4 minutes, exactly at 4 minutes. Just click on it, drag it, or you can manually type 4 minutes over here, and that is good to go. So I have my MidRoll ads right there and I'm good. So yeah, that's what you can do. So another amazing thing about this update is that this update affects your previous contents that have been less than 10 minutes. So if you have any video at all in your YouTube content, your YouTube library, your YouTube channel that is above 8 minutes, that wasn't monetized, that didn't have the MidRoll ad placed in it, now is the time to start putting them there, because it means that you're going to make more money. Even if it's a 50% increase in your revenue, even if it's a 10% increase in your revenue, it is something. So just go over to your content, scroll through it, look for content that maybe 8 minutes more that were not did not have the mid-roll ad feature, and now put the mid-roll feature on so you can make more money, basically. So we're just going to scroll through all my content. Okay, so I just found a video content that is more than 8 minutes and that was less than 10 minutes. So this is at 9 minutes. I'm going to click on the monetization so that way I can add mid-roll ads to it and just see. Yeah, we can add mid-roll ads to it now. And okay, so these ones were automatically placed by YouTube. Again, YouTube places them automatically, but again, with this you can change it and adjust. And what I'm just gonna add one more, just one more, I'm sorry. And yeah, and we can do that to all of our video content that are now more than 8 minutes. And this is amazing for creators now who have been creating content that maybe have been less than 10 minutes. So in case you guys have been creating content that have been less than 10 minutes but more than 8 minutes, now you can adjust that and add some mid-roll ads to it. I do want to point out something because I do have my mid-roll ads automatically turned on. So in case you guys want to do that, just go over to your settings. Let me show you guys how to do that right now. So that way it automatically turns on for all of your content. I'm going to go over to my channel. I'm going to go over to my upload defaults and click on monetization. And now you do want to take this during video, that's the mid-roll ad. So this way it automatically puts ads on your video, automatically enables ads on your videos. Okay, so that's something you can definitely adjust and apply. You also want to tick all of these as well. So yeah, that is it. I hope this was helpful to anyone who is trying to make extra money. It might not be much, but it is definitely something. In case you guys are interested in making money on YouTube, let me know as well, because again, like I said, YouTube is pretty much like my full-time job, and I do have a number of ways that I make money on YouTube and through YouTube. But yeah, ads, Google Ads is definitely one of it. And yeah, that is it. So in case you guys have been putting content on YouTube, you do want to adjust that, adjust with the settings, update your content and update yourself. So in case you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comment section as well. In case you guys are new here, you like making money, you want to know how much I made for a couple of my videos, I have an entire playlist here. You can check them out as well. In case you guys are new here, you like me, because I like you already, because you've watched all through till now, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button right here. If that's too far for you, that's fine. Click on the subscribe button right here and subscribe to my channel. Check out these videos on how much I made on a couple of videos here on YouTube, and really understand the YouTube algorithm, how to make money on YouTube, how to make more money on YouTube, and starting on YouTube and growing on YouTube. I've got you covered. So yeah, check them out, and yeah, let's go.